Paul Di'Anno, born Paul Andrews on May 17, 1958, in Chingford, London, gained fame as the first lead singer of the heavy metal band Iron Maiden. Prior to his music career, Di'Anno held various jobs, including work as a butcher and a chef, though he did not attend university. His career breakthrough came in 1978 when he joined Iron Maiden, where he quickly stood out for his gritty, dynamic vocals and rebellious stage presence. Did you know that later in life, Di'Anno performed from a wheelchair due to severe health issues? Subscribe for more great content, and let's dive deep into it. Di'Anno is remembered as Iron Maiden's first lead vocalist. He was introduced to the band by drummer Doug Sampson, an old friend of Iron Maiden's founder, Steve Harris. At this time, Di'Anno adopted his stage name, claiming Italian heritage. Initially, he struggled with band management, which led to tension, especially with manager Rod Smallwood and Steve Harris. His distinctive punk-inspired vocal style helped shape Iron Maiden's early albums, Iron Maiden, 1980, and Killers, 1981, which are considered groundbreaking, blending punk energy with metal and progressive rock, setting a blueprint for thrash and speed metal genres. However, due to issues with touring demands and internal conflict, Di'Anno left Iron Maiden in 1981 after his final performance in Copenhagen. After leaving Iron Maiden, Di'Anno pursued various projects. His self-named band, Di'Anno, initially Lone Wolf, leaned towards an American rock sound, releasing one album before disbanding. In 1985, he joined Gogmagog, a short-lived supergroup project, and later formed Battlezone, which had multiple lineups and released 2 albums but faced ongoing struggles with drugs and internal discord. In 1991, Di'Anno formed Killers, a power metal band, touring extensively but facing numerous personal and legal challenges, including imprisonment and deportation from the US. Despite these setbacks, Di'Anno continued to perform and release music with various bands, including Nomad and Architects of Chaos, even as his health deteriorated. Di'Anno, who experienced 5 marriages, all ended in divorce but had 6 children, and had a tumultuous relationship with religion, identifying at different times with Islam, Catholicism, Judaism, and Aboriginal beliefs. Known for his rebellious lifestyle, he struggled with health issues in later years and performed in a wheelchair, following knee injuries from an onstage accident as well as motorcycling. In 2021, a crowdfunding campaign and support from Iron Maiden helped finance a knee surgery. Despite this, Di'Anno remained in poor health and passed away at his Salisbury home on October 21, 2024, at age 66. His legacy as a pioneer in heavy metal and his contributions to Iron Maiden's iconic sound continue to influence fans and musicians alike. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.